planning to learn na rin agad. Kasi syempre, mahalaga yun sa pag-artista na marunong ka.
So aside from family, sino yung gusto mong ka-road trip and why?
Syempre bukod sa family, si Aki. Sino pa ba? Si Aki lang. Congratulations on your brand new car. So aside from investing in new vehicle, are there other things you're currently saving up for or planning to invest in? Siguro po after my car, I want to invest in a bigger house. Parang area lang ng QC kasi I believe na kailangan yun sa pag-artist. Lalo na laging around the area yung work and QC is basically the center ng everywhere. So, yun talaga yung goal ko kasi of course si Mommy gusto ka rin na convenient and for two reasons. I'm a mommy's girl, lagi ko po siyang kasama like always, everywhere I go. Kung wala si Mommy, wala ako. So gusto ko mag-invest in a house na within the area para madali rin po sa amin. Pero lalo na dalawa lang kami sa view.
Since na-mention na you bought yourself a brand new car as a birthday gift, narunong ka na mag-drive?
Hindi pa po, but I'm planning to learn na rin agad. Kasi syempre, mahalaga yun sa pag-artista na marunong ka. Kasi of course, ang daming role na kailangan marunong ka mag-drive. So, kailangan marunong na ako. Lalo na 18 na ako. Hindi ko na may excuse. Hindi ko po ako marunong na may pa po ako eh. So, kailangan talaga marunong na po.
So follow up lang, since you have a new car, saan yung gusto mong puntahan?
Siguro po ngayon sa Tagaytay kasi dun yung taping ng Prinsesa ng City Jail. So, doon po ako unang pupunta definitely with my car na doon drive.
So aside from family, sino yung gusto mong ka-road trip and why?
Siyempre bukod sa family, si Aki. Sino pa ba? Si Aki lang.
Now that you're 18, what are new projects na gusto mong gawin?
Siguro po ngayon na I'm 18, mas gusto ko mag-explore din ng mga mas mga challenging na love story with Aki. Since yun nga po, I was young. So parang kahit pa paano ingatan din na, huwag naman masyadong ganyan kasi bata pa si Sophia, baka naman sabihin ng tao, ganyan. So I'm excited ngayon na mas makakapag-explore na kami ni Aki ng iba't ibang love, parang romance na projects.
Okay, and then last now, what do you consider are your career and life milestones so far?
Siguro po yung career milestone nila is yung Love is Caught in His Arms kasi it was my first project with Aki na kami na yung lead and it was really successful. So parang doon po namin napakita na we can be the next generation of love. We can be the next generation of love team in BME. So I'm really proud of Love is Caught in His Arms kasi it's really nice. Like, I can proud to say na maganda po siya. Ang dami namin napakilig, ang daming sumuporta, even the original readers of the book, walang naging bad feedback, and I'm really proud of it talaga. Siguro po sa life, milestone, siguro po yun yung I remain to be a proud mom. Siguro. Like, I'm proud na never ko siyang sinuwan, I never lied to her. Like, some people may say na imposible, hindi ko nag-lie. I'm proud, I never lied to her. I always prioritize.